Hello dear traders, welcome to the weekly review of Trading Hero 20K strategy. This week we finally reached 700% milestone since January 2019, and I'm sure that we're gonna move towards 700%. Maybe not this year, but we are slowly but steady moving towards new highs conservatively with drawdown that is not more than 30%. As for this week, you can see that we earned 0.2% in conservative mode, 0.4% in moderate, and 0.6% in aggressive. As for this month, we only started this month, so it does make sense to speak about the previous months. We're gonna scroll it lower and check it. And as for the performance from the beginning of this year, it is around 14% in conservative mode, 28% in moderate, and 42% in aggressive. And as for the previous months, the profit is 1.2% in conservative, 2.4% in moderate, and 3.6% in aggressive. The performance is very modest, but the drawdowns we had this month, they were not very big, and even the current drawdown is around 3%, considering that we are holding 8 trades on USD CAD. Actually, we have a lot of interesting things to check on the chart, so let's move to it. And we start as usual from the first currency pair in our review. This is Aussie CAD. We are on an hourly time frame. Each vertical line separates one trading day, and with the gray rectangle I highlighted the trading area of the previous week. As you can see, the market shifted into the consolidation phase. We can even call it a correction, because you can see that market is going upwards. We closed several trades that we were holding from the previous week. We gained 6 trades with 2 algorithms and closed them with the profit this week, and recently we started gaining sell positions on this market correction. If we zoom chart a bit, we'll see that we are still in a consolidation, so it's very hard to predict where the market will go, so it's absolutely normal to buy and sell in the middle of the channel to average these positions and close them on the subsequent correction. The next currency pair is Aussie NZD, and here we had only 2 closed trades. You see that market changed the direction. The previous 2 weeks we were in an uptrend, now we are in a downtrend. Currently we have only 1 buy trade, and if we zoom the chart a bit, you can see that we broke the previous uptrend and now we're moving downwards. Let's see how the trend develops the next week. As for Aussie USD, you can see that finally we found a bottom, because the price was declining since May. You see that we are in a global downtrend, but finally we got to the previous support level, a strong support level that we rejected from in March, and then we rejected from it at the beginning of this week. So you can see that we shifted into the consolidation phase, then there was a false break, and now we can see that the price is moving upwards. We closed the second chain of trades that we were holding from the previous week on Friday, and also the second algorithm that was trading in an opposite direction after closing this buy chain. This algorithm started selling and also made a couple of trades. The next currency pair is Euro GBP, and here you can see that we finally broke the support level. It was a very strong support level, and the price was pushed toward this level for a couple of months, and we broke it. So I think we're gonna see a lot of interesting movements on this pair. We have 6 positions, 3 on each algorithm, and we're waiting for the correction to close these trades with the profit. As for GBP USD, you can see that the situation is pretty similar that we had on Aussie USD. We found our bottom. If we zoom the chart out, you can see that we had a previous support level also that we formed in March, and we rejected from this level, but we actually broke it, and then we turned back to the frames of this corridor, and now you can see that we're growing, but still you can find that we are not in an uptrend. This is the correction in the frames of the local downtrend. Whichever trend line you would like to build, you will see that we are still in a local downtrend. Currently we have sell trades with our algorithms. We were selling also this week because the market was growing the whole week, and we're waiting for the market to decline at the beginning of this week, or if the price continues its movement and will reach one of the previous resistance levels, and we have a lot of strong resistance levels, we may average our chains with additional trades and get a correction from higher levels and make more money on it. The next currency pair is GBP CAD. Here you can see that market broke the previous local highs, and what is, I think, more interesting, if we switch to the daily or even to the monthly chart, we'll find that this currency pair is on the prices that we have seen previously in 2016. So we can say that locally and globally this asset is very overbought. We have 5 consecutive growing months, and I think that the probability of the correction is quite high. So we're gonna wait for the market to go down. If not, we're gonna continue averaging the trades. We still have a lot of trades to open because we opened only 3 trades, and we'll wait for the market to go down. The next pair is USD CAD, and here we spent this month also in a consolidation. We have good signs, we have bad signs. Obviously, that the good sign is that we didn't break the previous week's highs, which means that this trend slows down. But we didn't break the trend line, and we broke one of the previous lows, but we didn't break the next low, which means that the buyers are still in the market. But if we check the incline of the market for the last 4 days, you can see that it's a pure downtrend. So I think the correction will not make us waiting for more than 1 or 2 days, and we're gonna close all the trades with the profit. If you still don't have these positions, you can open them at a better price and get extra benefits from this market movement. And the last currency pair for today is NZD CAD, and here you can see that the market rejected from one of the previous support levels and moved upwards back to this corridor. And here you can see the global picture, that we have the previous support level, we have the price rejection. We closed the buy trades we were holding from the previous week with the profit, and we started gaining the sell trades. So now we wait for the market to go down. Maybe we'll rise to the previous resistance level. Maybe we'll go down from these levels, but this scenario seems to me less probable because we are still in a strong local uptrend. I hope that you managed to make good profits trading with our setups this week. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us in comments or directly ask your personal manager. We'll be glad to help you with our strategy and its risk management rules. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next video review.